In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Figma. Being able to control your zoom in Figma is one of those small skills that makes everything else faster. Whether you're reviewing an entire layout or refining a tiny icon, zooming smoothly helps you stay focused and precise. Let's walk through the simplest ways to do it so you can get comfortable right away. First, open Figma by clicking the Figma icon on your device. You might find it on your desktop, in your applications folder, or pinned to your taskbar or dock. Give it a moment to load and then open the file you want to work on so you can see the canvas in front of you. With your file open, move to the top of the screen and click on the View menu. This is where Figma keeps many of the controls that affect how your canvas is displayed. When the menu drops down, look for the options labeled Zoom In and Zoom Out. These do exactly what they say. Choosing Zoom In brings your design closer, letting you inspect details like spacing, typography, and pixel alignment. Choosing Zoom Out pulls back your view so you can see more of the page or multiple frames at once. Each time you use a Zoom In or Zoom Out from the View menu, you'll notice the zoom percentage change, usually shown in the Figma toolbar. That percentage is a helpful reference for returning to a comfortable zoom level later. If your design starts to feel too big or too small, simply repeat the process. Click View, then pick Zoom In or Zoom Out until it feels right. For a quicker, more fluid way to adjust your view, you can also use the wheel on your mouse. To zoom in or zoom out, place your cursor over the canvas, then roll the wheel forward to move in closer, or roll it backward to pull away. This method is great for making small, precise adjustments while you work. If the canvas moves instead of zooming, make sure your pointer is over the design area so Figma knows you want to adjust the zoom rather than scroll the page. That's all there is to it. Click the Figma icon to open the app, use the View menu to access Zoom in and Zoom Out, and rely on your mouse wheel for quick on-the-fly control. With these basics, you'll navigate your